Now, where you think you going? I moved you over there for a reason. I moved you over there for a reason. Where you go? Oh, you just decided to just walk away, huh? Come on. Come on. Caterpillar. I moved you over there for a reason. And look at you now. Look at you now. You just chilling, aren't you? You trying to eat? Get as much knowledge as you need before you develop. I know it. I'm going to let you be. Come on. You brought your little friend, too. Look at him. I'm about to get out y'all way because y'all on the road when it come down to me. I mean, we can sit and talk. What's up? You trying to eat? Or you trying to get to me? By any means necessary, huh? I understand. I feel your life. Yeah. You are aggressive. You ain't nothing like your friend over there. You just not taking no for an answer. You like, I'm going to get somewhere. I know you got food. I know you got food. Look at you. I know you got food. So you just going to lift your way up to me? I know you got food. I know you got food. I know it. That's what you telling me. Gonna stand up? Stand up. Say, hey. Hey.